good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Of course, it's a brand new day, beautiful day outside, and your girl has been up and cracking as usual from early this morning. Just finished working out, got a shower, and now I'm about to have breakfast because I need to go on the road. You guys can hear Sarah in the background. She's watching the TV. You guys, I need to go on the road because my girl is almost 2 years old. Can you guys believe that Sarah is almost 2? It's crazy to even think that I'm here planning Sarah's birthday. So I need to go on the road to pay for Sarah's cake. I already ordered it, but I need to make a deposit, but I'm just gonna pay for it, the entire thing, and call it a day. So that's what I need to go on the road to do. Baby is working from home today, so baby can take me to where I'm going. So that's one mission that I need to get done. I can't believe my girl over 2 in less than 2 weeks, all at 2 years old. So I don't know exactly yet how her day is going to be for her birthday, but thank God it's on a Saturday. But I definitely know that I ordered her cake already. As the week goes by, then I'll pick up balloon and I'll figure out her thing in my head. But today I'm going to go pay for her cake. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you're new right now. If you're watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Why? Just tell me why. Tell me why you're watching me and you haven't subscribed. And if you think you already subscribed, just double check to make sure that yes, goody, you subscribe. You see? Anyway, you guys will see the rest of the family as the day goes by. Enjoy today's vlog of whatever bits and pieces we have to show you. I'm here. You see what I'm cutting? You guys can't see what I'm cutting. I have a weakness for French bread, French baguette. Once it's in the house, I can't help myself but to eat it. And this baguette has been in the house for a few days. I have it in the fridge. And each morning I go and I cut a piece and put it in the toaster. I love baguette. That's why I don't really buy it. Because when I start eating it, I can't stop. French pastries are just delicious. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to have a piece of toast baguette. Well, more like 2 pieces, maybe 3 or 4. And some eggs. That's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. Let me show you guys Sarah. Where's the camera lean though? See Sarah over there watching TV. Sarah! Say hi! Hello, Sarah! Cuckoo, Sarah! No, nothing? Okay, she watching TV, y'all. She watching TV.
Pour mon régime, c'est bien. Pourquoi tu mets pas? C'est des pauses ou c'est des chez ou c'est
When it play too long without touching it, it falls.
Yeah. Mais parce que tu as
You gonna fix the pipe? Ready? Let's go. Oh, take time. Go on. Mama left our sunglasses.
Ready?
C'est le little batty. Come. Oh. Oui. Bonjour.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle est belle, elle est belle.
Merci. Go to Papa. Go catch Papa. Hold our hand, babe. It's Papa. Come on. Come. Okay, you guys, we're on the road. Going to do a few errands. First stop, we need to stop at the... No, not the supermarket. We need to stop at the... You have the paper up there for the post office? We need to go to the post office and then we're gonna head to pay for Sarah cake. You guys, Sarah and I here chilling until Papa get back. She's just here saying please mama, but she's not telling me what she wants. What's that? Watch. Say hello. Look. Say hi. You just love my watch. Give mama a kiss, please. Kiss, please. Kiss, please. Mwah. Where's Papa? Papa is in the post office.
Et voilà, nous sommes arrivés. Nous sommes arrivés à la maison. Monsieur.
Hey, coucou. In this car is so hot. Sun is a little outside. I washed my hair this morning, you guys. No more color for a while. Giving me a color break. Let's see how long that will take. Alright, you guys, we're at the mall. Gonna see if we pay for Princess cake right now. We're here. It's this place that we bought Princess cake from. This place. Would you? They have really nice cakes. Alright, you guys, mission accomplished. I ordered my pay for my girl cake. So I'll get to pick it up next Friday because her birthday is Saturday. So I'll pick it up Friday evening. And the birthday plan is on.
Come on.
Walk the right away though. Look how far that car was.
You can let me pass and...
Oh Jesus. What in the name of driving is going on here?
Between the person don't put indicator and the one that put indicator and don't turn.
It seemed like this wind dusty thing was happening in the entire French Riviera. Yeah. Because almost every car I see have it.
Sometimes they say because of the sand, like a sandstorm.
My God.
It's windy and bring sand from the North Africa.
North Africa?
Yeah, maybe. That's not the first time, it always happen often.
Yeah, it happens sometimes.
So that's why I mean, I bother too much.
You guys, you're getting lunch at KFC. I'm hungry.
Bunny Mel. Yeah, Bunny Mel. I make the rabbit. Make the rabbit eat.
You have rabbit teeth naturally, so you don't even have to try to make it. It just make it naturally.
What you want for lunch? You want carrot? Carrot and salad?
I don't mind that.
You want carrot? Long carrot.
I don't mind that though, but no. I want wings. I want wings.
You want rabbit? Does rabbit eat rabbit?
If rabbit eat rabbit?
Yeah.
I don't know. I need to buy rabbit and cook for Tyler. He's been talking about it a lot.
You want to do like the duck here? You want to do a tough rabbit?
No, this time I know to cook it in the pressure cooker. You guys, I haven't tried cooking the duck again. The duck scar me for life.
Kentucky burger looks good. The one I had last time was good.
I want wedges instead of normal fries.
I don't take anything for Sarah.
No, Sarah just eats.
Cool.
You can't tell Tyler we go KFC now. Keep it a secret, y'all. Cannot tell Tyler.
Have a card.
Oh, it's got a credit card?
Bonjour. Je vais prendre un menu hot wing pour une personne.
D'accord, tu fais ça pour la boisson?
Sur mon junk.
Jus d'orange.
Jus d'orange, frites.
En grand le menu ou en normal?
En normal.
Avec c'est ça?
Et un menu Kentucky Burger.
D'accord, la boisson?
Jus d'orange aussi.
Jus d'orange avec?
Frites.
Avec tout ça?
Ce sera tout.
You take my fruit as wedges
You want wedges?
instead of...
Vous pouvez modifier quelque chose? Sur le hot wings, c'est pas...
Sur les plus forts, monsieur, il y a trop
Sur
de
le hot wings, au niveau du... Vous avez frites, vous avez quoi d'autre à part les frites?
On a du maïs ou salade?
Non, we have wedges.
Okay, just get it.
Ah, c'est bon, allez, c'est comme ça.
Allez, super, je vous laisse avancer, merci à vous.
Merci.
You guys, sunshine. And fruit. Oh, this chicken sandwich is good. And the good wings look delicious. Just how I like how the wings to look. Sometimes you go to some KFC and the wings dark. I always give them back. I tell them to change it. But this way it's good.
This one we have to go in town because at the point they used to give us
Black and ugly ones here. But these are good. And they're warm and nice. You guys, the wings here taste similar to the wings in Jamaica. Not exactly, but it's close enough where I can live with it. So that's why I always buy wings when I go to KFC. Tyler is home from school. Say hello, Ty, to the face.
Hello.
What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
Hello.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm drawing Elmo. I'm doing a gift of Elmo for Sarah's birthday.
Oh.
Because Sarah's birthday is next Saturday.
So he says drawing an Elmo for Sarah. He's drawing that Elmo over there. You guys know Sarah loves Elmo, so that's how his drawing going so far. We'll show you guys what it looks like when he's finished.
And we already draw the
We
head.
already draw the head, just Elmo head. You're doing good, Ty.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's go see where she is.
She's in her room.
Hi! Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? You're playing? Hi! What? Okay. Don't know what you just said, but okay. Horsey! Oh, horsey! horsey, but you have to take horsey here. Okay, ride horsey. Go ride horsey. Ride horsey. Ride horsey. Ride horsey. Good girl. Ride horsey. Ride. Ride, ride, ride. Ride. Ride horsey. Tyler got this horse for his first birthday. Good girl. And now we pass down to Sarah. You hear Tyler trying to get Sarah attention though. Tyler, come in, Sarah. Tyler, come in. Tyler, come in. Tyler, come in. Hide, hide, hide. Tyler, come in. Sarah, no, you're gonna fall. Lord have mercy, she's gonna fall headways. Guys, be careful, you two. Sarah, who is that? Tell her, eat it too.
I'm eating all her body.
Who is that? Tyler. Oh my God, your brother is a mess. Ty, be careful. Run, Sarah. Up. Ty.
But it was already off.
You have to screw it on tight. Wait, let it go. Let me screw it on. Wow.
I won't ever stop.
You're too funny.
I won't ever stop doing.
Come, let's go do your homework. Yes, you gotta stop. Come on. I'm on a dinner roll. I'm making salmon today for dinner. I have some pasta for the kids from yesterday. Some green beans. And the salmon, of course, in the air fryer. 0 oil. So that's Stella joint. Tell it actually look good. It actually looks like Elmo. You did a good job. Very good job, Ty. So you're gonna cut it out now? Alright. You're too funny. Okay, sir. Who is this? She love a Elmo. Good girl.
For her birthday. Sarah, who is this?
Come kiss her. She's going to bed by the time you come back.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Tell face bye-bye. Look up. Say bye-bye. Then me. Good job.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, M, A, B, C, D, me.
Yes.
So that whole is to answer you to my friend. Hit. So
all right, tell face night night. Say bye bye. Say tomorrow. Tomorrow. Mwah. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Every night you come slap off my bun.
Your bun?
No, that's what they call the thing on top of our head, the bun. Or pom-pom. This is pom-pom. The bun is the one that... What? What?
I'm looking at you.
Why? What?
Not just the way you look.
And?
And that's
What
just...
you have for your defense?
No, I'm not going to say anything. You're innocent. Anyway, you had a good day?
Yes, I'm tired.
Guys, I find that she was sleeping. When I tell you she have an easy life.
You know,
I
some
went-
cheek in a
I
good
went-
spot to be sending my
I
back.
went somewhere. I come back in the living room and I hear...
Wait. Tell them where you went.
I was
You
in
went
the-
to sleep.
I went to sleep.
You went to sleep and leave me working.
I went to sleep.
And leave me working.
And when I come
yeah?
back, she was sleeping, like literally sleeping, open mouth. You know, I'm sure she waited on me to went to bed and she fall asleep
You
right
guys, I
back.
was working and I feel the
And
sleep.
then
I'm like,
all
hell
day
no.
when she tells she tired and I tell her just go relax, just sleep, take a
I've
nap.
work to
She
do.
always tell me I have work to do, but when I look at her, she's sleeping. Just feel guilty.
For what?
She sleep and she 10:20 she's still like
It's
this.
2 hours in nap today.
Easy.
I'm
What
gonna
you
call
do
him
was-
boss.
I wake up at 3 and I
Never
went to
call
bed
him
at 2.
boss.
How you got that 3
I'll call
minus
him
2?
boss. 2 hours that.
How can I wake up before
2
3?
hours
I
that.
wake up at
Only for 20
2:40.
minutes or 2 hours.
I wake up at 2:40
Come
and
in
we
and
went
end
out
the
in the
vlog.
world, so I couldn't
Come in and
be.
end the vlog.
Liar. Pinocchio. I'm called a Pinocchio.
In the vlog.
Anyway, guys, that was a good day. I enjoyed today. I walk, I watch TV, I
Sleep.
relax. But I walk. By the end, I walk. Have the laptop beside me, and yeah. So that was a cool day. France lost yesterday. They played terrible. Terrible, and they play like they think they're stronger than the other one. They don't focus. Oh, that's in the back of my head. They deserve to lose. They deserved to lose. I'm sad, but they deserve to lose. I mean, they didn't take the opponent seriously, and no, they deserve to lose. They think they were seeing themselves too much, too petty. They just deserve to lose. Well, but the bad thing is that England won today. So we received message of British people. All of this.
You
So
guys
I
see the
want British to
passion?
lose now.
You see the person in his speech.
You know, you
were so sad
train
last
your
night.
team and the other team, like if your friend is for one team, you don't want that team to win because then you know you're gonna receive so much message.
My cousin is just rubbing it in.
And he's gonna tell you so many
He
things.
keep
I just
messaging me.
want them to lose.
We want England to lose.
Oh,
Sorry, all my Londoners, but we want y'all to lose.
yeah,
That's France.
just because of few peoples.
One bad apple spoil the whole bunch.
Yeah, we tried to receive message.
How we go?
Well, the best gonna win.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna leave it here for tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up. The story time is coming tomorrow for sure, so don't miss it. See you guys.
Wow.